Okay, let's go ahead and look at this question. It says for the reaction, and we see that we have magnesium reacting with nitrogen. It says what is the amount of our Mg3N2, so magnesium nitride, which could be produced from 10.59 grams of magnesium, and it gives us the molar mass there. That was nice. And we have 1.18 grams of nitrogen, and it gives us the molar mass of nitrogen. And so it wants to know what is the maximum amount, and it wants us to answer in unit of moles. But anytime we are looking at the maximum amount of product that can be produced, and it gave us two numbers, which they're both reactants, what we have to do is we have to start with our limiting reactant, because our limiting reactant is going to produce the least amount of product. So one way we can do this is we can find out how many moles in the reaction it'll produce, or in this case, since we're just going to moles, we can go ahead and solve for our product and basically just take the smaller number wins. So in our first conversion, we're going to start with our 10.59 grams of our magnesium, and that should be 5.9 grams. Okay, and set this up. We'll need two conversion factors to do this. We'll need our mole ratio, which is a 3-to-1 ratio. So 1 mole of our Mg3N2 equals 3 moles of magnesium. And then it gave us the molar mass right here. So 1 mole of magnesium equals our molar mass is right here, 24.305 grams of magnesium. So in this one, we just set it up and match up our units. There we go. That goes on top. And then we keep going until we get our moles of our product. That would go on the bottom. And that would go on the top. And then we go ahead and multiply it out, and we get an answer of 0.145, and that would be moles of our product. Now, all we're going to do is do the same exact thing, except we're going to start with our nitrogen. So it's 1.18 grams of our nitrogen. Set it up. Again, here's our molar mass. So 1 mole of nitrogen equals our 1.18 grams of our nitrogen, and then we need our mole ratio. So nitrogen to our magnesium nitride is 1-to-1. So 1 mole of nitrogen equals 1 mole of our magnesium nitride. Okay. So set it up, match up our units. Keep going until we get the correct unit that we want on top. And what we see when we plug this into the calculator, we will get an answer of 0.042. That would be moles of our product. Now, the limiting reactant will limit the amount of product that can be produced, so the smallest number wins. So the correct answer would be our 0.042 moles of our product.